Are you tired of cases sitting with the wrong owner and no idea how to fix it? Learn to reassign any case in under 30 seconds. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact 7 clicks to change a case owner in Salesforce, including how to notify the new owner automatically.
First, go ahead and click on the Cases tab to see your list of cases.
Then, on the right side of the case you want to reassign, click the drop-down arrow. From that drop-down, select Change Owner to open the reassignment panel. Now, click inside the Search User box to look up the person you want to assign the case to. Once you find them, click on the user's name to select them as the new owner. Next, check the box labeled Send Notification Email so the new owner gets an alert. Finally, click Submit to complete the transfer. And that's it. You've successfully changed the case owner. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.